From the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Emily in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.7% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
The dollar held steady as traders braced for an avalanche of market events featuring midweek policy decisions by the Federal Reserve, Bank of Japan and Bank of England, and what could be a pivotal US employment report for the Fed on Friday. The Federal Reserve is expected to hold interest rates steady at a two-day policy meeting this week, but open the door to interest rate cuts as soon as September by acknowledging inflation has edged nearer to the US central bank's 2% target. The S&P 500 closed barely higher after choppy trading session as investors held their breath ahead of a raft of big technology company earnings, a Federal Reserve policy decision on interest rate cuts, and key US labour data all due this week.
And now let's review some of today's world economic events.
The French gross domestic product will be released at 5:30 GMT, the Eurozone's business climate at 9 GMT, the UK's 10Y bond auction at 9 GMT. The US JOLTS job openings will be released at 14 GMT, Japan's large retailer sales at 23:50 GMT, Australia's retail sales at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.